You aren't earning a salary, you're accepting a bribe to forget your dreams. Every hour you trade for a fixed paycheck is a permanent withdrawal from your future autonomy that you can never deposit back. It is time to stop viewing your job as a destination and start seeing it as a high-interest loan against your freedom. Your biggest financial risk isn't the stock market, it's the dangerous illusion of safety found in a steady 9-to-5. While you feel secure, the true cost is the compounding independence you're sacrificing for someone else's empire. You must leverage every single paycheck as a strategic down payment to buy back your life before the clock runs out. What if your job wasn't a career, but, a temporary resource for your liberation? We've been lied to about job security while our autonomy just vanishes, right before our eyes. There is a clear path to escape the cycle. Leverage your current role to fund your future sovereignty, and turn your paycheck into total freedom. Stop treating your employment like a permanent home when it's actually a temporary staging ground for your liberation. Most people spend their best decades renting out their brainpower, kind of oblivious to the fact that they are trading compounding years for linear cash. You need to flip the script today and start using your current labor to fund your ultimate exit strategy. I'm not saying working a 9-to-5 is bad. I am merely suggesting that you should invest some of your time building your empire. Because honestly, you could build your own empire, or you can go to work for someone and build theirs. Never has there been a better time to start investing in real estate. Join us at Nova R.E. Alliance.